Before you begin your day, allow yourself this moment to pause, breathe, and simply be here. Welcome, beautiful soul. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out any tension you may be carrying. As you settle into this moment, hear these words. Something beautiful is unfolding for you. You may not see it yet. You may not know exactly how it will arrive. But life is always moving, always growing, always creating new possibilities beyond what you can currently see. This morning, you do not need to force anything. You do not need to have all the answers. You only need to open your heart to the possibility that good things can find their way to you. Allow yourself to receive this day with curiosity, gratitude, and hope. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice how effortlessly it flows. Each breath is a reminder that life continues to support you. With every inhale, imagine breathing in fresh possibilities. With every exhale, release worry, doubt, and the need to control every outcome. Silently repeat, I trust that life is working in ways I cannot always see. I welcome the opportunities this day brings. I allow myself to believe in positive outcomes. There are moments being prepared for you. Conversations waiting to happen. Unexpected kindnesses. Small blessings that may brighten your path. Allow yourself to believe that today can hold wonderful surprises. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Imagine a warm golden light glowing there. With each breath, this light becomes brighter and more expansive. Take a moment to appreciate something simple. Perhaps the gift of another morning, the people you love, the roof above your head, the ability to begin again, or perhaps anything or anyone specific to you. Feel gratitude flowing through you. Not because everything is perfect, but because there is always something beautiful to appreciate. Silently repeat, I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for the lessons that have helped me grow. I am grateful for the blessings already present in my life. I am grateful for the blessings that are on their way. Allow gratitude to soften your heart and brighten your spirit. Imagine yourself standing beside a peaceful stream. The water flows effortlessly. It does not struggle. It simply moves forward. Let this stream remind you that life was never meant to be lived in constant resistance. Today, allow yourself to flow with life rather than fight against it. Repeat gently, I am open to abundance in all its forms. I deserve joy, peace, and fulfillment. I welcome opportunities that align with my highest good. I trust that what is meant for me is finding its way to me. Abundance is not only money. It is love, health, friendship, laughter, peace of mind, meaningful moments. Allow yourself to receive these gifts with an open heart. Take another slow breath. Imagine yourself surrounded by a soft light. This light represents kindness, confidence, and inner peace. As it expands around you, know that your energy influences the experiences you create. Today, choose to become what you wish to attract. If you desire kindness, offer kindness. If you desire peace, carry peace. If you desire love, become a source of love. Repeat, I radiate calm and positive energy. I bring light wherever I go. I am worthy of love and respect. I choose thoughts that support my well-being. I choose hope over fear. Feel these words becoming part of who you are. Now bring to mind a challenge, goal, or dream. See it gently in front of you. You do not need to know every step to reach there. You only need to take the next one. Remember how far you have already come, the difficult days you survived, the lessons you learned, the strength you discovered. There is more within you than you sometimes realize. Repeat, I am capable. I am resilient. I trust myself. I have everything I need for today. I am growing into the person I am meant to become. Allow confidence to settle within you like a steady flame. Take a deep breath in. Let those words sink deep into your being. And as you slowly exhale, release it into the universe. Feel a sense of calm, gratitude, and quiet anticipation. Remember, you do not need to chase every blessing. Some blessings arrive when you are simply open enough to receive them. Carry this thought with you today. Something beautiful is unfolding for me. I am open to joy. I am open to abundance. I am open to love. I am open to the goodness this day has to offer. May your heart feel lighter. May your mind feel peaceful. May your day be filled with moments that remind you how supported you truly are. And may you discover one beautiful moment at a time. Something wonderful has been unfolding for you all along. Take one last breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. If this meditation brought a little peace to your morning, take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave a heart in the comments so we can spread a little more love together.